Good morning, students. Welcome to this new academic session 2020-21. In this academic session, for the first time, I am going to teach you. You know me as NCC officer for some of the students, but this year I am going to teach you English. In this academic session, actually, we have writing skills, grammar, prose, poetry, all these parts. But very huge weightage is given to grammar and writing skills. You must be enjoying these summer holidays. Actually, now we should call them Corona holidays. But while learning English or any language, you need to study beyond the textbook. Beyond the textbook means you should know short stories, poems, novels, dramas, sonnets of Shakespeare, because they only have enhanced our English literature. You should not limit yourself to the textbook. You should go beyond the textbook. Now you have huge time to learn all these things. You have very huge and precious time to study more than the textbook. I hope that you will give high importance to reading. If you read the short stories which you already studied in 3rd, 4th and 5th standard, that will help you to learn English more properly. At the same time, if you read dramas, if you read historical stories, if you read scientific stories or biographies, it will help you definitely to enhance your English, to enhance your English vocabulary. Therefore, I will suggest you to study, to read these books regularly. That will definitely help you to write our writing skills, to write any letter. It may be formal, it may be informal letter, because children mainly face difficulties in conversation, communicating with others. At the same time, they face the difficulty of stage. Therefore, I would like to suggest you to read all these kinds of books whenever you get time at home. Actually, I will call this period Corona holidays. It's a blessing in disguise. Why it's a blessing in disguise? Because you have plenty of time to read, to enjoy this particular moment. Some of you may get bored also of reading or of your value of your holidays. But basically, if you look at those things positively, very creatively, you will definitely enjoy this period by reading different books. Here, you have to study speech writing, you have to study views and counter views, you have to study debating also for ninth and 10th standard. Because whatever you have studied so far from 3rd standard to 8th standard regarding grammar, that created a very strong foundation for ninth and 10th standard. So, I would like to say that this year is highly important year for English learning for English studying. In this year, we are going to study 80-20 pattern for English. In 80 marks paper, you have to focus mainly on grammar and writing skills. While dealing with grammar, there are so many topics which we have to study very seriously. Many of them you have already studied, but this year we are going to focus in detail. So let's start our session with tenses. Thank you and have a great day ahead.